Hi, this one is Yangtze dehumidifier CS10E. At here, this is the full copper adapter. This one is we free to our customer. And this is the remote control. This is the on-off switch. And this is the sleep model. And this one is timer. And this is the machine Q virus. At here is defrost. At Malaysia is the hot day, so we never use the defrost. Behind here have the on-off switch. This is the on-off switch. And downside here is the water tank. This is 2-liter water tank. Or you also can direct use the pipe through the water if you feel the water tank not enough big. And this machine is the new plastic, and this plastic is the ABS. So now we want to take out the water tank first. And the pipe is here, fixed at here. Okay. Okay. At the water tank here, have a small bottle. This, if the water, when the water full, the bottle will go up. When the bottle go up, will touch the stop machine. This thing is the stop machine. Okay, and this one is the stop machine. Or you also can direct use the water tank. Okay, you also can direct use the water tank or use the pipe.